Today is the day of the big storm, and Parker is supposed to be taking nap time. Instead, when we turned on the video camera, we saw him sitting, and by the time we got upstairs, there he is! He was sitting up. He pulled himself up. Go ahead, do it again. Look at you! Yay, you! You figured it out, huh? Parker, are you happy? What'd you do? Did you pull yourself up? Do it again. Do it again, big boy. Go ahead. Ha ha. Go ahead. Yay! Good boy! So I guess asking for a nap time now would be asking a little too much, huh? Ah! Good boy! Okay, we're gonna have to lower the crib now.